Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI CYBORG 15A13VEK. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MSI CYBORG 15A13VEK is making a strange noise during use, it could be a sign of a failing fan or loose components inside. This noise often occurs due to dust accumulation or wear and tear over time. If left unchecked, it may lead to overheating or further damage to the internal hardware, which can be costly to repair. To successfully address this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge. First, begin by safely opening your device. Power it down completely and unplug it from any power source. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver, keeping them in a safe place. Carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, making sure not to apply too much force to avoid damaging any clips. Once the panel is off, locate the cooling fan or any loose components that may be causing the noise. Typically, the fan will be situated near the heat sink. Inspect it for dust buildup or any obstruction. If you find dust, use a can of compressed air to clean it out gently. If the fan itself is faulty, you will need to disconnect the power cable attached to it. To do this, gently tug on the connector while ensuring not to yank the wires. Next, remove the screw securing the fan to the chassis and lift it out carefully. When replacing it, ensure that you align it properly before securing it back with screws. Remember to apply a small amount of thermal paste to the heatsink before reassembling the device to ensure optimal cooling. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, reattach the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Power on your device and listen for any unusual sounds. If the noise persists, it may be worth seeking professional help. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean your device and ensure it has adequate ventilation. Avoid using it on soft surfaces that may block airflow. Keeping your laptop in a clean environment can also help to minimize dust accumulation. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.